You gonna show Mima how you crawl? Now this is one thing that definitely makes him crawl. Thomas, look at this. Oh my goodness. Hi, buddy. Come on over here. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Wait, are you going for the boat? And then I put it back together. Yeah. What you gonna do? There you go, it's a good one. You're so strong. Oh, he's going for the boat. Hi, Opal. What you doing? You gonna come here? Yeah. You can do it. You can do it. You scoocher. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Time for a thumb sucking break. There you go. You're doing it. There you go. That's it. Say hi, Mima. I love you. This is my drag. You're almost there. Look, it's right there. Here, I'll try to make it easier for you. How's that? Wait, maybe a little bit harder. You made it! You made it! Dump it all out. There you go. And that's my man. But really, he wants those. Knock it over.